That palm tree could be cut. Terry, if you want, you can get in this video for just a second. Now this wall, we want to take this out. This shouldn't be a big deal. We should be able to get this out for in an hour's worth of work. And then these pipes down here are broken already, so you know we might want to replace that when we try to get this sprinkler system working, perhaps. Okay. In here we have screens. The screens we found in the garage, they're a little messed up. We'll see about getting them on there. The filter is right up there. This wonderful tenant is going to make sure he replaces it, and we'll inspect it every 3 months as well.
I got something else yesterday too. This right here, remember?
I see you fixed the closet door, Tom. Thank you. And in here we've got the like this here. There's a washer in there that's really it's doing something. You have to ask Tom. Terry, you have to ask Tom if he needs to if the water's coming out of there. I think that's what he told me to also
look at, see if it's wrong with it.
Flush the toilet. All right, we're done. Yeah, thanks. Oh no, you like taking me. Let's paint these two lights here and that front door.
I got black
in the frame. Okay, thank you. Hi, Mr. Bauer. This is Tom, and we're going to pressure clean. Tom's going to do all of this work in the back here. You have a wonderful tenant here. You have a wonderful owner in that camera right there. Okay, let's do this job. The bleach has got to sit there for 2 or 3 minutes and kill the mold. And Tom's going to do a great job, and he's going to do all 3 sections and the screen enclosure in the next couple of hours. All right. Inside is healing, and you can see the inside, but over here, if this all comes clean, we don't have to paint it. I know the third section will come clean. This side should be okay. then the deck's gonna have to be painted. I can see that from a mile away. Yeah. We're gonna go inside in about 2 minutes. We'll just get a little bit of this done. We're gonna stop. Take this here little walkway in the front of that. Yes, hi, this is Holly and this is Terry, husband and wife team that do all the cleaning and 80% of the repair for First Place Realty and Property Management. So, thank you very much. Are you recording? Oh, okay. Hi there, Mr. Bauer. This is the house right next door to you. The tenants are gone. And I've got to get a little furniture out because it came furnished. This is your house right over here. Mark, go slow and take all of this chicken wire, and they had a lot of chickens, or they had some rabbits and all kinds of weird things. Get up here. If I had it my way, I would love to spend $300 or whatever to wash and paint the brown on this whole house. I think it would, even if we repaint it brown, or preferably a medium to darker blue or green, and then it just needs trimming. Yeah, it doesn't need much in there. That's still running? Oh, that's fine. Okay, and that's all she wrote here. This one should be able to be rented fast if it just gets a little bit of cleanup. Like to pressure clean this driveway, this parking lot, but that's at least a 2.5 hour job. So we're talking $50 with the pressure cleaner. Okay, we better get going, Mark.